This dehumidifier allows you to either mount on the wall or place it on the floor. It consists of an air outlet, display functions, and water tank. By pressing the Start key, a teardrop icon will appear on the top left screen. The mode function speeds up the process of drying clothes. Positive or negative key can be pressed to adjust the humidity level by 5%. This key is able to read the present humidity and temperature in a room. To switch off, simply press the Start button. A bucket icon indicates that the water tank is full. To remove the water, detach the water tank from the unit. As demonstrated, remove the water tank to slot in the filter.